Hey, good morning, YouTube. This your boy, Make the Rider Joe. Back at it again, man. Hey, thank you guys for tuning in. And today we're going to talk about my exhaust. Hopefully, you guys can hear it just fine. You guys can join me. I'll pontificate about it, give you my review of it on my way here to work. Oh, yeah. It's a beautiful day in Oregon right now. All right. Hey, let me start first by saying that the exhaust is the Delkevic 9-inch carbon exhaust. And I am not a representative for the company. They do not sponsor me. I pay for the exhaust with my own money. So this review is completely non-biased. Although we'll have some fun. Oh, man. So a couple things I want to make sure I break this stuff down on there is that about the exhaust, and this for my Suzuki GSX-8S. There's actually a lot of different models you can get as like different types of exhaust and everything. But all the ones I saw, this is the one I liked the most. I like the way it looked. I was cool with the price of it too. And I listened to some videos about how it would sound. Let me try to reach on over. I got a pocket open on my jacket. Just got to reach on over. Make sure I close my pocket, otherwise I'm a little bit cold. Nobody's behind me and not like that, so we're all good, man. It's a nice thing about getting up in the morning and riding to work. You don't have a bunch of nonsense. But I saw this exhaust and I bought it. It was less than $500, so it wasn't expensive. And this is a full system exhaust. You got to replace everything as far as from the very front all the way to the back. It's not like a regular slip-on. It came very well packed. I was really happy about that, and it came really fast too. Make sure these guys ain't trying to jump me. Fucking do a crossover and T-bone my black ass. But with the exhaust, like, it came very packed. It was no scratches or anything like that. You can watch. I put a video where I did the full install. It's kind of long, but you can still watch it if you want to see me install it. I've never installed exhaust before. I'm not a mechanic or anything like that. Did it for the first time, and I was able to do it with no problems. It's been working since. I would say this, and before I be the first thing or second thing about this exhaust, is that there was like really no directions on how to put it together. They didn't have any YouTube shit videos, even though they got a YouTube channel. They didn't really go over like how to install this exhaust. So I had to really figure things out and piece things together, looking at other exhausts being put together. That's one of the things that can be a negative, is that if you're like me and it's your first time doing it, you want to really have some good instructions for it. See if we can jump out in front of that truck right quick. Oh yeah. Early in the morning. Feeling good, man. But I was able to put it together, no problems. But that's one thing I would say as a con, and to be cautious of, is like the level of directions that's not really there. But maybe that's the way it works with all exhausts. They seem, hey, motherfucker, if you're buying it, you must know how to put it together. And they say, fuck you. But I've seen other places where they got, real directions on how to put it together. That's just me. Third thing is, I do like like I mentioned, I like the way it looks. It looks great in person. It really stands out and really blends in well with the bike. Let me see what I can do here. Now you got a split. You got one truck over here, one truck over there. I'll go get behind this truck. We'll check on out and see what we're gonna do next. I wanted to jump on out, but it's kind of early to be jumping out in front of a car. I'm scared, motherfuckers. Let's do it now. All right. Feeling good. Oh man, the white car fucked up my flow, man. All right, there we go. Now we're back in business. Got my pockets closed, cruising on the highway, plenty of time to get to work, all that good stuff. But coming back to the exhaust, what was interesting was that, put it together, it looks great. The second, third thing probably to say, maybe on third or fourth, I can't remember now, is as far as the sound goes. You guys can hear it now, you've been hearing it as I've been riding. It sounds really good. It gives the motorcycle a nice, deep richness to it, and it sounds a lot louder than what it was before, which is, I think, really a plus thing, a safety thing. I used to have people swerve over my lane all the time just because they don't hear me. The stock exhaust is really quiet, way too quiet, and it's a safety hazard, if you want my opinion. You better off getting some type of exhaust, maybe even if it's not this one, something to make your bike stand out more, because people don't really look for you. And that was the main reason why I wanted to get an aftermarket exhaust. But it does, this exhaust, it is louder. People can hear me much better. But I would say people will still occasionally swerve over to my lane. I mean, it's just like one of those things. It's just part of being out on a motorcycle. People are very distracted when they're driving. They're fucking doing everything from watching YouTube videos to, eating, put on their makeup, all that other shit. And they're very, just not really paying attention. So there's always a chance that you can get hit. Somebody can swerve on over, all that kind of stuff. So you still have to be real cautious. It helps, I think, but it's not going to eliminate the entire risk of it. I do like the exhaust sound. It's not like, again, I would say the motorcycle is a 2-cylinder, and it's not a 4-cylinder. It's not a Harley or anything like that. So it can only do so much to the actual sound of the bike, at the end of the day. Plus, at the same time, I have the stock intake, all that stuff. I love stock, completely stock on there. So I didn't take out the filters or anything like some people do. And the main reason is I ride all year round. Oh man, poor guy broke down over there. Damn. I miss you. I feel for you, brother. Things happen. But one of the things is like, oh, there you go. My man over there cruising in the morning, just like me. What I hear, man. One of the things is that I ride all the time, and because of that, I ride in the rain. So it's one of those pieces where I need as much protection on the intake as possible. But the positive things about not doing the air intake is that I am able to put on this exhaust and not have to do a tune with it. Obviously all motorcycles could use a tune, even if it's just a straight stock motorcycle. But when you put a new exhaust on, usually you have to do the tune. You can go without one, and that's what I chose to do. But it still runs fine, no issues. It's not all that like popping and backfiring and shit like that. My motorcycle's nice and safe. It works out just fine. If I did change the air intake, modify that, then I'd have to go get a tune. Otherwise, it could be running too lean or too heavy. I would say, last thing about the sound I get to is like, it's still like, it's loud, but it's not crazy loud. Like my neighbors don't sit there and complain and say, hey, your fucking motorcycle's waking you up in the morning, you asshole. No, they're all cool, man. They're, and really, I wake up and I don't rub my shit in the damn driveway like an asshole. I just wake up in the morning, get my bike and get going. And then once I get on the street, then I open up on the throttle. But nobody's complaining about the actual loudness of the exhaust. As far as like any type of performance change, I have not seen any at all. And again, that could be because I didn't get it tuned, but you know, I didn't see like as far as, oh man, I got a little bit more torque to it, a little bit more horsepower. No, nothing like that. At the same time, you know, I didn't get the exhaust for that. I got it more for the actual sound of get it louder, and that's what it does. I'll shut my mouth for just a little bit so you can hear it. As I'm going down the highway, I do wear earplugs, but at the same time, I can still hear obviously just fine. And exhaust is not annoying. It sounds fine. You know, you give a rev and it sounds really good. I really do enjoy it. Overall, I would say it's a really good exhaust. You know, they did a good job shipping it and building it. The biggest con is going to be the directions. If you decide to do the exhaust yourself, like there's not that many directions on it. So you're going to have to figure out things. Like I said before, I got my video where I put it together, but I'm not a mechanic, so don't say there, hey, if you follow my shit and you got fucked up. Oh, no. I put a lot of disclaimers on that motherfucker, so don't blame me for that. But I recommend get it if you're looking for exhaust for your bike, and it's a Suzuki GSX-8S, or even an 8R. It can fit that one also too. But I would say go get it. You can go to the website and you can buy it right from there. Again, I'm not a sponsor. I don't get any money for it. I just thought it was cool, so I thought I'd share. There we go. Thanks you guys for helping me in. Watch the channel. I appreciate it. Be sure to give me a like, thumbs up. And thank you for riding with me on my morning ride. Y'all have a great day. Oh man, that's a nice little Mustang GT. Oh man, I like the color. Got the dice in the mirror. All right, guys, have a good day.